Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can see from the title, deleting videos. So this is going to be the first time I have done this. So here we go, and we will reiterate. I hope you're going to learn from my lessons and the rules that I broke, so this won't happen to you. So let me share so you can save in the pain. So alright, as I'm sure you've noticed, the last two videos were about some fairly sophisticated algorithms, but they had a problem with the coding. When for the static sliding window, I hardwired 3 into here, and I changed that after the fact, but I had another problem with the largest dynamic sliding window, and it was also caught by a viewer and a programmer. The X, I did not change this to string, so I'm actually going to be deleting these two videos and redoing them, and I have a couple of ideas of how I want to do it, but the lesson that I want you to learn from this is why, I probably haven't said this in a long time, this is why you don't copy code. So I had these as just regular little snippets of code from a long time ago, and when I was really learning, and I would use these to teach, but I didn't really understand how sophisticated these little algorithms were. So I go, okay, and I was going back through notes, thinking about ideas, really taking to heart all the wonderful comments and that you guys share with me about solving problems. And I remembered in between that somebody was like, oh, that you have a sliding window example. And this was probably 4 or 5 years ago when I was teaching a class, I believe at the high school, and then I was like, oh, because I wasn't too vast. I'd been doing Python for at that time 4 years. But do not copy code. This is an example of you will and you would have thought I would have learned from last video or the previous video of thoroughly testing the code. So, okay, and there's actually one more type of dynamic window I want us to look at. It's the smallest, and it's going to be the smallest array for summed numbers. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do all 3 of these and maybe have my first attempt at having the little timelines. So we'll do a video, I will redo all these videos, static sliding window, dynamic sliding window, largest dynamic, and smallest dynamic, because it does have a little few features. But next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one that I think is really, really cool, with where you're taking into account bisectional search. So there we go, everybody. Learn from my mistakes. Do not copy code. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the awesome support. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.